Okay, here we are, just going to show you through the AutoSafe drawer system. This is an upfit capability here at AUSEV E to go to the back of the F-150 Lightning. So for those who are chasing extra storage, you've got these big strong drawers. And with the size of the F-150 tub, it means these drawers are really big. So these AutoSafe, you've got roller bearings on the side, really strong, so it can take a lot of weight. There's no issues with what weight to put on them. Box for dimensional size, put that in. Lots of room still. And they've got a bit of security to them as well, so they don't just roll back in, they lock out. So to get them to go back, you push that button and they go back in. Fully lockable. They come with a sturdy floor, so you can slide things in either side, as well as a floor on top, so you can load up above the drawer system as well. They've got their own locks on them, but of course, once the tailgate is locked, it's all secure. So that's just the AutoSafe drawer system.